Okay, so deck construction, what we do here to ensure a structurally sound project is, first of all, we use a 6x6 pressure treated post. Pressure treated meaning it's not going to rot and bugs will not attack this because of the pressure treating that goes on. 6x6, it's fastened down with a triple 2x8 beam, which gives plenty of structural strength. And then you can see that the floor joists are 12 inches on center here, which gives a really rigid and ensures that there's no deflection to deck boards. If it's at 16 inches on center, which is pretty normal in our industry, those deck boards, the composite deck boards, could get a wave to it over the years. So we just go a step further. We make it 12 inches on center. So if you're having a deck built at your house, ask for 12 inches on center. The other thing I want to just point out to you is you see these clips right here. Let's take a quick look at them. You see them here on the beam. These are hurricane clips. So everything is anchored down to ensure that uplift. In the event that wind comes, it's not going to lift this deck up and cause a problem. So again, insist on those items when you're building your deck. It'll make for a better deck. Thanks.